Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Shafira. I would like to present the study with the title Farmer Group Institutionalization in Kerdon Hamlet, Dadapayu Village, Semanu Subdistrict, Gunungkidul. One of the potential that exists in Kerdon Hamlet is cassava farming, which is supported by the Sidomaju Farmers Group, and it has extensive yard land. In the context of better management of cassava farming and large plots of land, one of them is the need to strengthen the Sidomaju Farmers Group's institution so that agricultural information and technology is conveyed to farmers. The problem for the study is based on the participatory mapping with the community, especially after long discussions with Kerdon village chief. The problem faced by the community were firstly the inactivity of the farmers group, and secondly there was a lot of old dry land and yards that had not been utilized by the community for agricultural and economic activities. There are three purposes for this study. The first one is counseling on the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and financial management of farmer groups. Second, counseling on the use of yard and moorland. And the last is strengthening and empowering the Sidomaju Farmer Group. The method that we use in the study is FGD, or Focus Group Discussion. FGDs with the community on existing problems and problem-solving solution, especially for the Sidomaju Farmer Group. Deliberation of planning and working methods to be implemented. The implementation of KKN PPM service activities include: first, counseling on the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and the financial management of the Sidomaju Farmers Group. Secondly, counseling and training on the utilization of moor and yard land for cassava farming. And the last is strengthening and empowering the Sidomaju Farmers Group. We move to the result and discussion. The first result is the extension of the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and financial management. This activity was held on Saturday, January 20, 2024 at the Kerdon Village Hall starting at 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. It was attended by 60 administrators, group members, researchers, and the student. Furthermore, the question and answer session. The participants who attended the event were very enthusiastic in asking several questions. Next, for the other result and discussion about extension and training on the utilization of moorland and yard land for cassava crop farming. This activity was held on Saturday, January 20, 2024 at the Kerdon Village Hall starting at 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. It was attended by 60 administrators, group members, researchers, and the students. Furthermore, the question and answer session. The participants who attended the event were very enthusiastic in asking several questions about the advantages of various varieties of cassava. Apart from that, there were also questions about cultivating avocado plants, and after long discussion, there was an agreement to try avocado cultivation. The last result is about strengthening and empowering the Sidomaju Farmers Group. This activity was held on Saturday, January 27, 2024 at the Kerdon Village Hall starting at 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. It was attended by 70 administrators, group members, researchers, and students. Furthermore, the question and answer session. The participants who attended the event were very enthusiastic in asking several questions about good farmer group management in accordance with the principles of farmer group management. After the outreach of strengthening and empowering the Sidomaju Farmer Group was completed, 100 avocado seeds were distributed to all residents in Kerdon Hamlet. The last part is conclusion and suggestion. For the conclusion, the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and financial management of Sidomaju Farmer Group, the importance of utilizing yard and moorland, and the importance of strengthening and empowering the Sidomaju Farmers Group, and the suggestion for the functioning of the Sidomaju Farmers Group. Continuous assistance by the government and the universities is needed. So this is the end of the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.